Germany has declared its coronavirus outbreak under control ahead of a partial relifting of the country's lockdown measures. Shops of up to 800 square metres in size will reopen from Monday, while school will return for some students from May 4, but large events such as festivals will remain banned until the end of August. German Health Minister Jens Spahn says confinement measures imposed early on have seen infection numbers sink significantly. The country has recorded 139,000 cases, but only 4,100 deaths. The United Kingdom's coronavirus death toll has risen to more than 14,000 after 847 people died in hospitals across the country in 24 hours. That's slightly fewer than yesterday's daily death toll of 861 and a significant decline from last week's peak of 980. The National Health Service says 30 of the latest victims had no underlying health conditions. Lockdown measures in Britain have been extended to subdue the outbreak.
A quiet high street in York as the lockdown is extended. Very different from 4 weeks ago, when this was how we lived. March the 17th, and the Prime Minister has just said we should avoid other people. It was taken as a request.
Well, it is discretionary, isn't it? They're not saying you have to.
So we've got a nice tagine here.
4 weeks on, that same cafe is shut. At the back door, they're coordinating the supply of 100 free meals a day to the elderly and hospital workers, but don't know when or how they'll reopen.
It's going to be very different, I think, for a long period of time. And we are already starting to think about how we can adapt, we can change to make sure that we can run a business. Of course, I really want, and I feel very sure that we will still be around as our business, but it'll be in a different way, I suspect.
I've had trouble getting my online shopping.
4 weeks ago, the hair salon over the road was busy with clients getting one last haircut. Now the owner is at home, her staff furloughed. She fully intends to reopen, but has bad days too.
Is there much point in going back? You know, I never thought I'd say that. All the people that know me know that I've been absolutely dedicated hugely to the salon and the team. But it's just the unknown, the restrictions, what we're working against, the government funding, when will that come into play, how do we cope with cash flow? It's all unknown.
By lunchtime, the free food from the Supper Collective is arriving at York Hospital. Local cafes make it for free. The ingredients and delivery costs are covered by crowdfunding. The lockdown has turbocharged the community.
Oh, it's lovely, and it's nice that a sense of community wants to help and give us food, and we're really appreciative of it.
No one can say when the freedom we had a month ago will return. For now, the lockdown continues. Gerard Tubbs, Sky News, York.